So every once in a while, something new comes across my desk or is brought to my attention that really brings a smile on. And today's one of those days. Today we're testing a new target, and it is a target that uses, I guess it's as close to free as we're ever going to see. It's a reactive target, and it gives you a big bang, so you get an audible alert when you hit it. Now, that in itself is not anything that's brand new to us, but to be able to use one legally almost anywhere, and again safely almost anywhere, is. So this kit consists of a replacement bottle cap for a plastic bottle. You can use a standard. Today I'm using some empty 2-liter Mountain Dew bottles and a regular 16-ounce or 20-ounce bottle, I guess it is. And all you do is you fill them with air, you set them up downrange, and you hit them. I guess even a high-end BB gun will pierce them and make that sound. Now you don't need an explosive to make a great big pop. I mean, look at a balloon. You blow up a balloon, hit it with a pin, you release it all at once. It's this release of energy that we're hearing, kind of like a firearm sound suppressor. If we can control this burst, this release of energy, it's a whole lot quieter to our ears. And today we're going the opposite. We're going to shoot these bottles, which I filled with about 80 pounds of pressure, and see how they do. The rifle that I'm using is a Ruger 1022 pocket rifle that I built a few years back. Because these little camera microphones don't really pick up sound, it's going to be really difficult to disseminate what is the rifle and what is the target. So what I'll do is I'll fire a few rounds just into the backstop, hitting only the corrugated plastic. Then I'll shoot a couple rounds at a steel target, and then you can kind of hear the difference. What is the rifle? What is the impact area? And then, if I can do my part and hit this plastic bottle, you'll see what these bottle caps allow us to do. So the suppressor I'm using on the pocket rifle is a XXX K-Jet 22 from American Manufacturing. If you watch this channel, you've seen their other suppressors, like the XXX Warrior 556. They work excellent. All right, let's put a couple rounds into the backstop, just the plastic, a couple rounds on a steel target. I'll give it a couple seconds for things to reset, and then I'll see if I can hit one of those 2-liter bottles. How cool is that? I know that this mic isn't going to do it any justice, and the sound level, I guess, it doesn't sound like a binary target. You don't get that big explosion, but you definitely get some feedback. These things are really fun. So what a cool option it is to have these to shoot, to get a little bit of feedback. You can make it more visual too. You can add chalk to them or baby powder or something, and that way you get the visual cloud, and it allows you to get a reactive target without having to worry about the safety issues, depending on where you live and where you shoot, and laws, again, depending on where you live and shoot, that you would with standard binary targets if you're looking for something. So I hope that you enjoyed this short preview. If you did, please click like, share us with your friends in your vast social media universe, subscribe to the channel if you don't already, and make sure you hit the notify button so you know when we upload a new video. Come visit us at Patreon, where we have a fun little community that allows you to participate in the videos a little more, and for the between video time, over on Facebook at facebook.com/guntestvids. We've always got some conversation happening. Until next time, have fun and be safe.